Hello student, today we will derive the Ohm's law from first principle. So to derive this, we have a relation that we have derived already, that is the relation between the current and drift velocity. So the relation between current and drift velocity is given by I is equal to NEA into a VD. We have derived already this. So the current in a conductor is given by I is equal to NEA into a VD, where V is the drift velocity and N is the number of the electrons per unit volume. Now we have already derived this. We have derived this drift velocity already. So the magnitude of the drift velocity is given by Vd is equal to E torque upon M. Now we will put this value, the value of Vd, that is E torque upon M, in equation 1. Therefore I is equal to, equation 1 is I is equal to NEA Vd. So we have put the value, we have to put the value of Vd here. Therefore I is equal to NEA into Vd, that is Vd, this value E torque upon M. Now from here, this E, we will put the value of E here. We know E is equal to V upon L. We have already derived this also. Means if we have a conductor and E is the applied electric field, L is the length of the conductor and V is the applied potential, then the magnitude of the electric field E is equal to V upon L. So here we will put the value of E, that is V upon L, in this equation. So I is equal to NEA EV torque upon ML. Now again we will rewrite this equation. N E square, E into E, NE square A torque upon ML into a V. Now I upon a V, bring this I on this side, V upon I, and this equation on this side becomes ML upon NE square into torque. Here V upon I, and this equation on this side becomes, its reciprocal is ML upon NE square into A torque. Now what is V upon I? V upon I means R. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So from here R is equal to V upon I. So R is equal to, V upon I is equal to R is equal to ML upon NE square A into torque. Now again we will rewrite this equation, M upon NE square torque, and this M upon NE square torque is constant and we will write it rho into L upon A, this equation L upon A. It means R is equal to, here M upon NE square torque is equal to rho, so R is equal to rho into L upon A. Or from here rho is equal to RA upon L. And rho is equal to, put the value of rho here, rho is equal to M upon NE square torque. So this is the derivation of this Ohm's law from the first principle. V upon I is equal to R from Ohm's law. So we have derived this. Now again there is one more relation among J, that is current density. J, here current density, sigma is the conductivity and E is the electric field. Or we can say this relation, the relation among J, sigma and E, this is the microscopic form of Ohm's law. We have to derive the relation, and that is the derivation of this is the microscopic form of Ohm's law. So, to derive this, the relation between these J, sigma and E, again we will start from the relation. We know the relation between current and drift velocity, that is I is equal to NEA into a VD, and we know VD is equal to EE torque upon M. We have already these values, we have derived these already. So I is equal to put this value VD here in this equation I, so I is equal to NEA EE torque upon M. Now from here bring this A on this side, so I upon A on this side, I upon A is equal to NE square E torque upon M. Now this I upon A is equal to J, that is current density. I upon A is equal to J and is called current density. So this is equal to M upon NE square torque. M upon NE square torque. And this M upon NE square torque is equal to, from this equation, we know this is equal to rho, that is resistivity. Means J is equal to, this is equal to, this is M upon NE square torque. But here the equation is, NE square torque upon M. We can write, and M upon, so we can write here this J is equal to 1 upon rho, because rho is equal to M upon, but here equation is NE square upon M into torque. So reciprocal of this, that is reciprocal M upon this NE square torque, and this is equal to rho. So J is equal to 1 upon rho. We can write J is equal to 1 upon rho into E. We have put the value of this. Write this equation 3. So from equation 3, J is equal to 1 upon rho. This equation is equal to 1 upon rho into torque and into E. So J is equal to 1 upon rho. 1 upon rho is the reciprocal of resistivity is conductivity. So J is equal to sigma into E. So this relation between current density, conductivity and electric field is known as microscopic. This relation is the microscopic form of Ohm's law. So this is the derivation of the Ohm's law from first principle and relationship and the microscopic form of the Ohm's law. So in our next lecture we will discuss about our other topics. So this is the topic for today.